For 8.1, we're going to use practice data set 2 again. Here we'd like to know whether the classifications are conforming with a known estimate. We're going to go to Analyze, Non-Parametric Tests, One Sample. Under Fields, we are going to select Only Job Classification. And under Settings, we are going to have to say compare it to hypothesized values, which is a chi-square test. Under Options, we have to specifically tell it that we expect category 1 to have 20% of the values, category 2 to have 50% of the values, and category 3 to have the remaining 30% of the values. And when we run this, we will get our one sample chi-square test, which is not significant, saying that the values in that data file are not significantly different from the proportions that we would have expected.